Welcome to Learn English with Stories Daily. Today is English listening practice for beginners. You will learn 10 useful words for making friends and small talk. And then watch Sarah make her first friend in London. Stay to the end for the quiz. Let us begin. If you do not understand every word, do not worry. You can listen many times. The more you listen, the more English you will learn. Are you ready? Let us start with our 10 words. Friendly. Friendly means kind and nice to other people. For example, the woman in the park is very friendly. Repeat after me. Friendly. Friendly. Weather. The weather is if it is sunny, rainy, or cold. For example, the weather is warm and sunny. Repeat after me. Weather. Weather. Weekend. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. For example, it is a lovely weekend. Repeat after me. Weekend. Weekend. Hobby. A hobby is something you like to do for fun. For example, reading is Sarah's favorite hobby. Repeat after me. Hobby. Hobby. Together. Together means with each other. For example, they sit together on the bench. Repeat after me. Together. Together. Enjoy. When you enjoy something, you like it very much. For example, they enjoy the warm sunshine. Repeat after me. Enjoy. Enjoy. Laugh. When you laugh, you make a happy sound. For example, they laugh at a funny story. Repeat after me. Laugh. Laugh. Phone number. A phone number is the numbers people use to call you. For example, they share their phone numbers. Repeat after me. Phone number. Phone number. Friend. A friend is a person you like and trust. For example, Sarah has a new friend. Repeat after me. Friend. Goodbye. We say goodbye when we leave. For example, they say goodbye and wave. Repeat after me. Goodbye. Goodbye. Well done. You have learned 10 new words. Now, let us listen to today's story. It is a beautiful weekend in London. The weather is warm and sunny. Sarah wants to relax, so she goes back to the beautiful park she found this week. She finds a quiet bench and sits down. She watches the birds and the trees. It is very peaceful. A friendly young woman walks past. She is holding a book. She smiles at Sarah. "Hello," says the woman. "May I sit there?" "Of course," says Sarah. "Please sit down." The woman sits down on the bench. "What lovely weather today," she says. "Yes," says Sarah. "It is a perfect weekend." Sarah looks at the woman's book. "I love that book," she says. "Reading is my favorite hobby." The woman's face lights up. "Reading is my hobby too. My name is Emma." "I am Sarah. It is very nice to meet you, Emma. Sarah and Emma talk together for a long time. They talk about books, about London, and about their families. Emma tells a funny story, and they both laugh. Sarah has not laughed like this for a long time. She is enjoying the afternoon very much. The sun begins to go down. It is time to go home. I really enjoyed today, says Emma. Can we be friends? I would love that, says Sarah with a big smile. Let us share our phone numbers, says Emma. Then we can meet again. Sarah and Emma share their phone numbers. Now Sarah has her very first friend in London. Goodbye, Emma, says Sarah. See you very soon. Goodbye, Sarah, says Emma, and she waves. Sarah walks home. Her heart is full and happy. London is starting to feel like home. If you are enjoying this story, tell me in the comments. What is your favorite hobby? Now, let us listen again slowly. It is a sunny weekend. Sarah goes to a park. She sits on a bench. A friendly woman sits down too. Her name is Emma. They talk about the weather. They both love reading. They talk and laugh together. They enjoy the afternoon. They share their phone numbers. Now Sarah has a new friend. They say goodbye. Sarah walks home happy. Now, let us practice speaking. I will say a sentence. You repeat it after me. Ready? The weather is beautiful today. The weather is beautiful today. May I sit here? May I sit here? What is your hobby? What is your hobby? I love reading too. I love reading too. It is very nice to meet you. It is very nice to meet you. Can we be friends? Can we be friends? Let us share our phone numbers. Let us share our phone numbers. Goodbye. See you very soon. Goodbye. See you very soon. Excellent. Your speaking is getting better every day. Let us remember our 10 words. Friendly, kind and nice. Weather, sunny, rainy or cold. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Hobby, something you do for fun. Together with each other. Enjoy, to like very much. Laugh, a happy sound. Phone number, the numbers to call you. Friend, a person you like and trust. Goodbye, we say it when we leave. Well done. Now, let us check your understanding. Question number 1. What was the weather like? Think about it. The answer is warm and sunny. Question number 2. Where did Sarah go? Think about it. The answer is to a park. Question number 3. What is the name of Sarah's new friend? Think about it. The answer is Emma. Question number 4. What hobby do they both love? Think about it. The answer is reading. Question number 5. What did they share so they could meet again? Think about it. The answer is their phone numbers. Question number 6. How did Sarah feel when she walked home? Think about it. The answer is happy. How many did you answer correctly? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Stories daily. Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, small steps create big progress. Tomorrow, Sarah and her new friend Emma visit a famous London museum together. That is our next story and the start of Sarah's second week. See you there.